What's up guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix the game stuck on the loading screen or not loading. The first step is updating your graphics card driver. This is a very basic step, so if you've already done this you can skip it. Click on the search bar in the Windows taskbar and type Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Click on Display Adapters to expand the list and display your installed graphics card. Now, select your graphics card, then right click on it and choose Update Driver from the menu. Select Search automatically for drivers. Windows will now update your graphics card driver if it's not up to date. After that, restart your computer and try launching the game. Next solution. This method may not always be enough, so it is also recommended to download the latest graphics card driver directly from the internet. Open web browser and type the name of your graphics card into the search bar. In my case, I'm using Nvidia, so I will be downloading the Nvidia app. However, you can find links to all graphics card drivers in the video description, including Nvidia, AMD, and Intel. Click on the official website of your graphics card manufacturer. Once you're on the website, download the driver. Make sure you are on the official site to avoid downloading incorrect or unsafe software. After the download is complete, install the application. Click on Agree and Continue, and the installer will start. At this step, select the Game Ready driver, which is specifically optimized for gaming performance. Then click the Next button. You can leave game optimization enabled, as this allows the application to automatically adjust game settings for the best performance on your system. For now, turn off the Nvidia overlay. You can always try enabling it again later if needed. If you have an account, you can sign in, but the app also works without one. Once the application is open, click on the Drivers tab. Next, click on Check for updates. If a new driver update is found, download and install it. After the update process is complete, restart your computer and try launching the game. Next solution. Click on the search bar and type Graphics Settings. From the results, open Graphics Settings. If you don't see the game in the list, you can add it using the Add Desktop App button, then browse into the game's installation folder and manually add the game executable. After the game appears in the list, click on the game and set the GPU preference to High Performance to make sure the game uses your dedicated graphics card instead of the integrated one. After that, try launching the game. Next solution. Open Steam. Next, click on the Library tab where you can see all of your installed and owned games. Right-click on the game and select Properties from the menu. Click on Installed Files. Now, click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will begin scanning the game's files and automatically replace or repair any missing or corrupted files. Once the verification process is complete, try launching the game. If the game still doesn't work, click on the Browser button and locate the game's executable file. Right-click on the game and select Properties. In the Properties window, click on the Compatibility tab. Here, you can try enabling Run this program in compatibility mode and select Windows 8 or Windows 7 from the list. For newer games, this is usually better turned off, but sometimes it can help. Next, check the box for Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Finally, enable Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and then OK. After that, try launching the game. Next solution. Open web browser and type DirectX download into the search bar. You can also find the direct download link in the video description. Make sure you are on the official Microsoft website, then download the DirectX installer. Click on the Download button. Once the download is complete, run the installer. accept the agreement and click Next. Uncheck Install the Bing bar, then click Next. Finally, click Finish to complete the installation. Go back to the web browser and type Visual C++ download into the search bar. You can also find the direct download link in the video description. Click on the official Microsoft website. Once the page loads, scroll down until you see the available download options. Download both the x86 and x64 versions. The ARM64 version is only compatible with ARM-based processors, so you can skip that one if you're using a standard desktop or laptop CPU. After the files finish downloading, install them one by one. Agree to the license and click Install. Then close the installer. Install the second file as well. When the installation is complete, restart your computer and try launching the game again. Next solution. Right-click on the taskbar at the bottom of your screen and open Task Manager. Now, click on the Startup Apps tab. Here, you will see a list of applications that automatically starts when Windows boots. Go through the list and disable any apps that you don't use or don't need at startup. This can help reduce background processes, improve system performance, and free up resources for your game. Finally, restart your computer and then try launching the game. Next solution. Open Steam. In the top left corner, click on the Steam menu, then select Settings. Click on the In-Game tab. Here, turn off the Steam overlay. Next, click on the Game Recording tab and set recording to Off. Click on the Remote Play tab and turn off Remote Play. Now, click on the Downloads tab. Finally, click on Clear Download Cache. Once everything is done, restart Steam and then try launching the game. Next solution. Close any cloud applications running in the background, such as OneDrive. You should also close any overclocking or hardware monitoring applications, for example Afterburner, as these can sometimes interfere with games. In addition, close any other unnecessary applications that are not essential while gaming. This helps free up system resources and can improve stability and performance. If you are using Discord, it's a good idea to turn off both the Discord overlay and hardware acceleration, as these features can sometimes cause issues with games. Open Discord. In the bottom left corner, click on the User Settings icon. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find the Game Overlay section, then click on it. Here, turn off the Discord overlay. Next, click on Advanced section. Now, turn off hardware acceleration. After disabling it, click on Change and Restart to apply the settings. Once Discord restarts, try launching the game. Next solution. Close Steam completely and make sure it is not running in the background. Next, restart Steam in administrator mode. Right-click on the Steam shortcut and select Run as administrator. This allows Steam to launch with elevated permissions, which can help prevent certain permission-related issues. After that, try launching the game. Next solution. Click on the search bar and type Adjust the appearance and performance. Click on Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Go to the Advanced tab. In the Advanced section, click on the Change button under Virtual Memory. Uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Now, select your fastest SSD drive from the list. In my case, this is the C drive. Select the Custom Size option, which allows you to manually configure the virtual memory settings. Now, You'll need to check how much RAM is installed on your system, as this information is required for the next step. Click on the search bar and type About. Click on About your PC. On this screen, you will see the total amount of installed RAM listed in the system information. To make this easier to understand, I've included a table on the screen that shows how the value should be calculated. Now open the calculator, which we'll use in the next step. First, we need to convert the amount of RAM from gigabytes to megabytes. Multiply your total RAM by 1024, since 1024 is the conversion factor. In my case, I have 16 gigabytes of RAM, so I calculate 16 times 1024. This gives us a result of 16,384 megabytes. Next, multiply this number by 1.5. The result you get here will be used for the initial size value. In my case, that number is 24,576, so I enter 24,576 into the initial size field. After that, take the original number we calculated earlier, the RAM multiplied by 1024, and multiply it by 3. So in my case, that would be 16,384 times 3. This result would be used for the maximum size value. For me, this number is 49,152, so I enter 49,152 into the maximum size field. Once both values are entered, click the Set button, then click OK. Click Apply and OK again. Finally, restart your computer to apply the changes and try launching the game. Next solution. Click on the search bar and type Game Mode. Open Game Mode settings and turn on Game Mode. Game Mode helps Windows prioritize system resources for gaming, which can improve performance and stability while playing games. After that, try launching the game. Click on the search bar and type Updates. Click on Check for updates. If there are any updates you haven't installed yet, download and install them. After the installation process is complete, restart your computer to fully apply the updates. Next solution. Click on the search bar and type in Firewall. From the search results, click on Firewall and Network Protection. Next, click on Allow an app through Firewall. Click on the Change Settings button. You may need administrator permission to do this. After that, scroll through the list and find the game. If you can't find the game in the list, click on the Allow another app button. Use the browser button to add the game's executable file and click Open, then click Add. Now click on the game in the list. Make sure both the private and public checkboxes are enabled. This ensures the game is allowed through the firewall on both private and public networks. By doing this, you are allowing the game to communicate through the Windows firewall. Finally, click OK, close the window and launch the game. As a last resort, if none of the previous solutions worked, you should perform a complete reinstallation of the game. Uninstall the game completely, then delete any remaining folders that are related to the game to make sure no leftover files remain on your system. After everything has been removed, reinstall the game from scratch. In many cases, a clean reinstall like this can fully resolve the issue and get the game working properly again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give a like and subscribe.